I am Henry Cao, a junior student at Material Science and Nanotechnology department here at Rice. I decided to become a material science major because my hobby was cooking. I realized that the material properties could be used to explain the principles of cooking, like why the recipes are made as such. After I learned material science, we learned that the material processing actually can determine the final properties of the material. Rice is the place where small class size actually gives you a very good opportunity to ask about research opportunities. The work I'm currently working on is about using various machine learning techniques to do image analysis to track the grain growth process. For any rising undergraduate students who are considering applying for universities, you should definitely look into Rice University because right after I came here, there was the orientation week or the O week, and I had my O week group. I feel like that I have found myself a small home or a group of friends which I can just simply trust. And that is part of the Rice experience that actually makes me feel at home and safe.